I don't like men. Women.
Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. Birds are chirping, frogs yelping. Got our beautiful wildflowers in the background.
Dad is really proud of those flowers.
I'm proud of my wildflowers. I have nurtured these wildflowers. They did not bloom last year because I didn't get to them quick enough, but this year, beautiful wildflowers.
I think the people before us planted them.
I don't know. Those do grow wild around here. Very beautiful. Drop a comment below if you know what kind of flower that is.
I might need more rubber bands.
Probably. I only got two there.
I'll be
Gotten
right
it a
back.
bit close. Let's grab some bands. Let's get a good look at the flowers while she gets the bands. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. Okay. Back to the time. I'll get on this. Trying to make it easy.
Okay, so on this one,
To the dyeing, right? What you got planned?
stick that little bottom up. Put your bottom up. We live next to the highway, and it's a very straight shot highway, so people love to race up and down it.
Yeah. It is what it is.
Let's see. Okay. Hot pink. Hey, how are you? Orange.
Yeah, hot pink, orange sorbet.
Yes, orange sorbet.
A little bit of sorbet, a little bit of hot pink. A little bit of lemon yellow.
Yep.
Beautiful, beautiful.
And let's make that a little bit wider. Okay. And then green. Lime pop, our fave.
Lime pop.
Lime. And
Last year.
the last bit of glacier. And we're gonna finish it off with some lavender right there.
Good old lavender. You got a big lavender too. In case you use all
Wipe
that.
my hands off.
Plenty of lav. We stay with plenty of lavender.
Ooh, don't look so good.
Turbo.
Okay, hit that hot pink board. Oh yeah. I
wouldn't
want.
mind having her car. That's a nice car too. I love her car.
And then Mama's gonna flip it.
Quick flip.
Yep. And then we're gonna hit this backside with some better black.
Better black. So, all told on this one, we have lemon yellow, orange sorbet, hot pink, lime pop, glacier blue, lavender, and better black. I think I said better black twice, but it's okay.
You guys get the picture.
That's that good, thick, better black too, which is good because it doesn't overspread, so it's kind of nice. Better black with super clear.
And when you do black on the back side, you want to kind of like keep it contained You don't want to go all the way to the edge because you want your colors to go to the black. And yeah. So.
It's going to soak it up either way. So it'll spread enough on its own.
I think I'm going to leave it black side up. That way the black can seep through to the bottom. Yeah.
I think that sounds good. To the drying rack. Use your carrot to the top.
Yeah.
That's what I'd do.
Okay.
To the drying rack.
He's gonna go in the middle.
Middle shelf.
There
Where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.